Hi, everybody. Happy Tuesday to everyone. If you are watching this is the tutorial video, and this is Ms. Poot speaking. The very first thing I would like for everyone to do for today's math lesson is to watch the tutorial video. It's going to help you really understand what to do for today's math lesson. So let's begin. The very first thing I should do every day is go to Clever. I know that there's another way to go into Google Classroom, but we would like all of our scholars in 7th grade to go to Clever first, okay? When you go to Clever, it should say Puck Schools, California, because we're in the state of California. After that, I'm going to log in with Google, okay? So I'm just going to click it. Now I'm going to pick my Puck email. Sometimes it doesn't give me the option of choosing. If it doesn't, just type in your email, okay? So I'm gonna type in my Puck email. For me, I'm just gonna click it. So it's right here. Then it's gonna tell me whether I'm a student or a teacher or a staff member. Please click the one that says student. Miss Poot's a teacher, so I'm picking teacher. All right. Now, your Clever should look something like this. Mine looks a little bit different than yours, but what I need to do very first thing is find Google Classroom, and it's right here, okay? So once I'm here, I can click it. If you need to find or send an email, you can click here, okay? But let's go back to Google Classroom. So I'm gonna click it. All right. Now, mine looks different from here. I'm going to go to my regular one, okay? Let's see. Here it is. All right. So here's my Google Classroom. Now, Ms. Poot has many classrooms. Yours should look something like this. So if you're in Santa Barbara, this one is yours. If you're in UCLA, this one is yours. If you're in UC Santa Cruz, this one is yours. If you're in Berkeley, this one is yours. I'm just going to use my first one, which is Santa Barbara, to show you what to do next. So once I see this, I'm going to click it, and it automatically sets you to your Google Classroom for 7th grade. Now, there's a lot of features on this page, okay? This button or hyperlink is always going to send you back to this page. So if you get lost or you don't know how to get back, just click here and it'll send you back to the beginning. All right. Now, this is what we call a stream. So now do you see here? These are like tabs, like chapters of a book. So in the stream, you're going to get every post that's been sent, okay? And it's basically based off of time. So the most, not the most urgent, but the recent one is always going to be at the top. Then over here, you have your upcoming events, okay? Now for me, this is not my favorite page because it gets very confusing. The one I really, really like is this one, classwork. So try to avoid the stream. You don't really need it. Go to the one that says classwork. Okay, so I'm going to click it at the top. Now, today is Tuesday. So I know on Tuesdays I need to be doing math and humanities. Now, again, the teachers have done their best to kind of put them into categories. So all of the categories are here. I'm going to do math today. So I'm just going to go to the topics and I'm just going to click math. Now, what this does is puts math all at the top or all in one page. Okay. So today, what are we doing and how do I do it? Well, I need to look at all my classwork. So here it is. Now, this is my math packet. This is my math packet. This is my math packet. I don't need to do that today because I should have already done it. Now, if you still need to turn it in, I'll have another tutorial video to show you how to do that, okay? All right, so I'm gonna keep going. The very first thing I need to do is find my schedule. Here it is. I'm gonna click it. Now, it opens up like this, okay? But I always have to click it so it opens. Now, I have to read what it says. It says, "Hi everyone, here is your math schedule for the week. Please use this guide throughout the week. It will help you be successful each week. I also included all the items that will be needed to be completed by Sunday, April 19th at 11:59. So I can't see it here, so I'm gonna have to click it. All right, now here's my schedule. What I did on this page is give you a summary of what needs to get done this week. And I did it by days. So on Monday, we didn't have anything. On Tuesday, it says, today you will learn about pi. Log on to Google Class, just did that. I have to do a tutorial video, that's what I'm watching. Then a math video, an interactive notebook, and exit ticket. Okay, so I got several things to do. Then on Wednesday, there's going to be another tutorial video. And then Thursday, there's another tutorial video. Okay? All right, now the reminder is just going to tell me everything that I need to turn in and the time and date. Okay? So if I have a printer at home, I can print it. If I don't have a printer, that's okay. All right, now how do I get back? Well, I have to go to the back arrow all the way over here, click it once, and it gets me back. All right, so now that I got that done, it says the first thing I need to do is the tutorial video. Right now it's not on here because I'm making it, but it's gonna say tutorial, okay? I'm probably gonna put it right here. After the tutorial video, I have to do the Edpuzzle. So I click it. Now, I'm going to watch the video, okay? So I have to click here first. It's gonna send me to another place. And then sign in. Yep, and you're gonna sign in with your Puck credentials just like you normally do. And then you're gonna click this and continue. It's a video you're gonna watch and answer questions. I'm not going to do it right now because it'll register mine, but I'm gonna click back. Here it is. Once I finish, most of you got the hang of it. Do you see this button where it says turn in? Click it. Now, mine looks very different from yours, okay? It's gonna ask you to do some things. I can't show you how to do that because I'm on the teacher version. But on my end, I see who turns it in and then I can give you points for them. And then at the top, I'll just hit return, okay? So if you have not turned it in, it'll also tell you you have not turned it in, right? So I'm just gonna go back for now. All right, awesome. So after I do my tutorial video, then this one, the Edpuzzle, I have one more thing to do, which is the math lesson. All right, now this one is the most important, okay? It's gonna give you directions, okay? So you're gonna have to read these. The first thing I need everyone to do is tutorial video, which you're doing now. That's great. Then you're gonna do the what is pi video, which is the Edpuzzle I just showed you. Then you're going to watch this video here. Okay, so I'm gonna change this. Number 3 is gonna say Tuesday lesson. And you're gonna watch the video. So how do I do that? I have to click it. Okay. Now, look what just happened. It popped into a new window. Can I go back and click the other things that are on here? Yes, I actually want you to do that. So I'm gonna click it. Do you see how I did it again? Another window. Here's my Google Classroom up here. I'm just gonna click it once, and then I'm also gonna click all 3 things. I want you to have all of these items in tabs. Why? Because it's gonna make it easier for you to go back and forth. Now that I'm ready, I can hit play. Hi, everybody. Welcome back from spring break. This is Miss Poot. I hope everyone had... All right, so you're going to follow the video. And the beautiful thing is that you can hit pause. Oh, I have to press rewind because I think I know what I need to do, but I have to do it over here. Okay, so I'm going to be working with this document, and we have some things to do here. Then at the very end, you're going to do the exit ticket. Okay, all of these things have points. So the interactive notebook has points, the exit ticket has points, watching this video has points, which is the tutorial. Okay, so to recap, very first thing I need to do is go to Clever and go to Google Classroom. The second thing I need you to do is go to the classes, your class, right? Remember, go to classwork. All of the items are going to be under math. If this gets confusing, just click over here. And then I'm going to look at my schedule, do the tutorial, then do this one, then last do this. It's going to take you some time because it's your first time doing it. I'm more interested in you trying your best. It's going to require some effort. If you do not get all the points, you made a mistake, it's okay. I'm going to give you some feedback and I'm going to ask you to return it again. For those of you who need points in our classroom, that means your grade is not where you want it to be. There's going to be a lot of points that I'm throwing out for online learning. So please make sure that you're trying your best. And if I ask you to do it 3 times, that means, oh, yeah, there's things you still need to work on, do it. Because I'm more interested in you trying than you not turning in anything. Okay? So everyone can get an A in math for the semester, but we definitely need to try our best with online. Okay? So you must keep up. Make sure that you don't let things till the last minute. So don't wait until Sunday to turn things in. It's going to take you some time for all of your classes. All right, everyone. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.